Have you ever thought about how to create a super safe zip file on Android without needing to install additional apps? Your important files are better protected from unauthorized people. Curious, right? Come on, watch this video until the end, because I will tell you how to do it, which is really simple and easy. First, collect all your files into one folder. Then, you can immediately select all your files. Tap the More button. Then select the Compress option. Or, you can also create a zip file directly from the folder. Next, give a name to the zip file you will create. And make sure the format you choose is zip. If you want to provide a password, check the Protect with Password option. Then enter your password as desired. Then tap Compress. At this point, the zip file has been successfully created. And this zip file will now not be able to be extracted without the password you entered previously. How did you succeed in creating the zip file? Share your experience in the comments column. Don't forget to tag your friends who also need this tutorial. Thank you for watching.